Hello friends, today we will start SS chapter 4th. Activities which are related to the earning livelihood are called economic activities. There are three types of economic activities: primary activity, secondary activity, and tertiary activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. Nearly two-thirds of the Indian population is engaged in agriculture activities. Growing of crops, raising livestock, forestry, and fishing all come under the agriculture activities. Soil, climate, and refined features of the important factors that influence the agriculture. There are mainly two types of farming techniques: subsistence farming and commercial farming. When farmer tills the land till the soil loses its fertility and shifts to another fertile land, then this type of farming is called shifting cultivation. Rice, wheat, millets, and maize are the major food crops. Cotton, jute are the main fiber crops. Coffee, tea are main beverage crop. The efforts to increase the population in order to meet the growing demands of increasing population is known as agriculture development. It varies the developed and developing countries. So here's the flow chart. Three types of economic activities are primary activities. The primary activities contains the agriculture, fishing, etc. The secondary activities contains the baking of bread, making steel, and tertiary activities contains banking, transport, and influence, etc. So we will know some terms also. Here they are: primary activities. Primary activities are those activities which involve direct attraction in the products of natural resources. Secondary activities. Secondary activities are considered with the processing of natural processes. Tertiary activities. There are economic activity that provide the services to the customers by providing support to primary and secondary sectors. Mixed farming. This is a type of commercial farming which land is used to grow the food grains and the fodder crops for animal husbandry. Plantation, a type of commercial farming, is in which only single crop is grown at a time. Example include tea, coffee, banana, cotton, cashew, sugarcane, etc. Food crops, crops such as wheat, rice, millets, maize, etc. are food crops. Fiber crops, crops such as jute, cotton are the fiber crops. They are used as food. Beverage crop, tea and coffee are included in a beverages crops. So here there are some extra questions. Multiple choice questions. Breeding of fishes is known as Breeding of fishes is known as pisciculture. Slash burn agriculture refers to the shifting cultivation. Staple diet of the tropical region is D. Rice. The Mexico shifting agriculture is called roca. The crop known as coarse grain is millets. Which of the following is paddy crop? Rice. So the fill in the blanks. Cotton and jute are the fiber crops. Tea is a major plantation crop in India. Wheat thrives the best loamy soil. There are three major types of millets in India are jowar, bajra, ragi. Rice is a staple diet in a tropical and a subtropical regions. In winter season, wheat is grown in India. Subsistence farming and commercial farming are two fundamental types of farming. Sericulture. Sericulture is the commercial rearing of silkworm. The shifting cultivation is a slash and burn agriculture. The selling of the grocery is known as tertiary activities. If you want to write, you can write. So there are short answers also. How many types of economic activities are involved in the transformation of a jute plant to finish the product? Name them. The two types of the activities involved in a transformation of a jute plant is finished product, the primary and the secondary activities. Which, what is the organic farming? The farming done by using the organic manure and natural pesticides instead of chemicals is known as the organic farming. What is horticulture? Growing of vegetables, flowers, and fruits for commercial use is known as horticulture. What is science commercial breeding of fish called? Commercial breeding of fish is especially constructed tanks, ponds called pisciculture. What is the science of commercial rearing of silkworms called? Commercial rearing of silkworm is called sericulture. What kind of the activities is agriculture? What all does it include? Agriculture is a primary activity. It includes the growing of crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing livestock. What is tertiary activities? These are the economic activity that provide the services to the customers by providing the support to the primary and secondary sectors. You can write if you want to write. What is secondary activities? The activities that are used in natural resources produced from the primary activities are raw material and transform them into enable goods are called secondary activities. Where is the word agriculture originated from? The what does it means? The word agriculture originates from the Latin word agri means soil and culture means cultivation. Thus, the term means cultivation of soil. What do you understand by a coarse grain? Millets are also known as a coarse grain, which includes the jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. This includes low rainfall and high to moderate temperature. Why are the kinds? What are the different kinds of the region of the our country? Our country has the different climatic conditions, terrain, and different soil types of the different areas, and therefore different crops for growing the various region of India. What name the states of the Indian nomadic herding is practiced? Nomadic herding is practiced in Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir. What do you understand by a single cropping and a multiple cropping? When a large land cultivation once in a year, it is known as a single cropping. Then more than two crops are in the year is the same land, it is known as multiple cropping.